Hey, it's Mark from Chirpy and welcome back. In this segment and in the few segments to follow, I'm going to take you through the creative parts of Chirpy. And the first place we're going to start today is going to be the AI Image Studio. All right, so you can either navigate that here from your dashboard or you can do it from the side as well. They both lead to the same place. All right, so we have three different options that you can look at. One is your product photo shoot. Okay, now this is typically used for people that have that are on e-commerce or perhaps on restaurants or perhaps have a product that they'd like to sell or like to move or like to discuss or market further on social media, but haven't had any professional photos taken. So I'm going to take you through this instance first. So let's go through it. We're going to go into Get Started. And let's find a product. I know a cap for this example. Let's do a nice red one. Okay, so here I have a product. It's been photographed in a basic way. And now I'd like to find out what different templates. We have real estate, all right, and the different elements that you could do or prompts that this will do automatically for you. We've got consumables, all right. We have beauty. We have general, okay. We have fashion, all right. We have home. We have different seasons. And so we can really narrow it down according to what we have. So I think for me, this is probably, it's a cap. So I'd say on model upper body. Let's try that. Let's try studio. And let's try isolated. Yeah, that works for me. Looks good. Okay, so now we can try it out. We've got two different ways we can use it, either fast or with pro. All right, so we're gonna do it fast for this instance. Let's go with pro. Let's just go with pro. We're gonna generate the photo shoot. It tells us how many AI credits we're gonna go generate photo shoot. And now it's going to work on the three different scenarios that we gave it. Oh, that's cool. So here we've got on a model. We're going to think this didn't really work for me. That's pretty much the same thing. So I'm going to say I don't like that one. That's okay. That's pretty cool. It showcases the product. I like the fact that we've got a model and that works really well for me. There we have two pictures. I think this works for the post. We're going to say we could save all both images to the library, okay, but it'll do it anyway automatically if I create a post. And there we have it, ready in the post. And now you know how to use the AI Image Studio